Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Peter Connor from PTC's ThingWorx IoT division. I thought I would first start out with telling you a little bit about PTC. It's a $1.3 billion company that has about 6,000 employees, 28,000 and growing active customers, and they are a leader in 3D modeling, 3D CAD, application, product, and service lifecycle management. And they also are connecting all of those applications with connected product data with their IoT platform. ThingWorx is the IoT division business unit of PTC. Over 800 employees who are dedicated, who wake up every day thinking about how they can dedicate themselves to the IoT platform. There's thousands of ThingWorx compatible partners and solutions. Award-winning technology for the entire cloud solution. And over $700 million invested in acquisitions, R&D, and integrations. Our mission as we look at IoT is combining the digital world and the physical world together and making use of that information and turning it into a combined value of data that can be used for business purposes and served up to folks in their browser, tablet, or smartphone of their choice for business value purposes. We all know about IoT, highly dispersed device environments, constantly evolving platforms, protocols. We've heard an alphabet soup of all kinds of different connectivity models, both cellular, wireless, long haul, short haul, and plumbing battles with different kinds of protocols. A bunch of emerging new platforms, existing traditional enterprise stacks that are now performing IoT and trying to make sense and connecting all of those. A lot of data that comes in over those, and I'll talk a little bit about our machine learning analytics platform that extends that. And of course, all of the applications need to be evolved, ever-changing, and iterative. So what is ThingWorx? ThingWorx is a platform that enables innovators to build and deploy game-changing applications, both from developers and non-coding type of developers who want to develop these solutions and experiences for business value. We have hundreds of customers, blue-chip customers. All of the customers, anybody who connects something is concerned about their security and scalability. And we have customers in the financial industry connecting up ATMs and credit card information, medical customers connecting up to hospital networks with patient information. We've got retail customers connecting scales and other kinds of equipment to the likes of the networks of Walmart and Kroger, and they care deeply about their security. So security is obviously foremost in everyone's mind when they provide you an RJ11 and RJ45 or the ability to get on their Wi-Fi. We have other customers in industries like smart farming, smart cities, and government networks. Our look at our platform and the way we attack this is everybody has a similar slide of connectivity, building an application. We also believe an analysis and data analysis of being able to take that data and doing analytics is very important, as well as experiencing that data in the user experience of your choice, as well as collaborating. When we look at connectivity, we have edge agents that come out of the box pre-compiled. We have C, .NET, and Java components. All of those, when they're configured, are exposed with RESTful APIs, as well as our mashups that I'm going to show you in a minute. So everything that you build is easily exposable and integratable with the enterprise. But moreover, we have protocol converters, so we can speak natively to a device that can already speak. We can write protocol converters in our cloud to speak to them. And we can speak natively to device clouds and third-party clouds as well. I'm not going to spend much time on this slide. This slide is what my next demo is going to get into. But we have a very easy-to-use, drag-and-drop, mature composer environment that's been out for years. And it allows folks that don't know how to program to easily be able to build data models and applications and iterate them. Our machine learning capability allows for, without data scientists, the ability to look at data and be able to transform it, grab your signaling information, look at the information that's important to your use case, and get predictive modeling, prescriptive intelligence, and predictive maintenance, as well as notification and alerting capabilities. We also have things like digital twin that you'll see in the show tomorrow to overlay tablets and browsers over real things and see machine analytics, and I'll show you a little peek of that today here as well. But the most important thing is for the folks who don't want to build code or they are building code, there's a developer environment and community of over 200,000 developers developing on the ThingWorx platform. I'd now like to show you a quick little demo of our mashup builder composer environment.
Shows a day in the life of a ThingWorx application developer. A fleet logistics manager is interested in optimizing the delivery schedule of their fleet of trucks. Our application developer is happy to help. She loves to create application user experiences and isn't a heavy-duty Java coder. She's going to use the ThingWorx platform to get us there by modeling truck capabilities, connecting the model to live truck data, and building a mashup user experience to deploy and evolve the application. She begins by logging into the ThingWorx Composer, our high-level modeling environment that provides visualizations, a thing modeling template, data storage engine, security configuration, and other system configurations. The first step is to model the digital reality of the truck. She's going to add properties that represent sensor data coming off the truck, including one for trailer temperature. She gives it a name, chooses a data property type, configure some logging capabilities, some ranges, clicks Save, and quickly and easily creates the truck thing model. The next step is to bridge the digital reality to the physical reality. The actual physical truck has a variety of data signals, including a GPS receiver and sensors for speed, trailer vibration, and trailer temperature. She can quickly bind the physical sensor data to the digital template that she's created in the modeling environment. With a simple drag and drop of trailer temperature, she binds that sensor data with the digital property. With the data model quickly out of the way, she's ready to do the work she loves to do, which is build the application. This is the mashup builder, widgets on the left, data on the right. She drags the data template for trailer temperature right onto the LED display to bind that property. Quickly drops in a grid, binds some truck logistics data from an external logistics system, and she's already previewing her mashup. The mashup builder enables her to rapidly build and preview this application and complete the version 1.0 requirements that her manager has given her. These requirements include GPS location of the trucks on the map, displaying critical live truck data, and access to contextual delivery data from the logistics system in the grid. But before she can finish her coffee, she gets an email from her manager with a new requirement to add direct driver messaging to the application. With the ThingWorx platform, she can easily cope with rapid iterations to deliver a successful application. She uses the ThingWorx Marketplace to find the Twilio extension. These ready-to-use extensions are built by PTC and our partners. By adding the Twilio extension into her mashup environment, she has a new widget that she can drag into her mashup to do direct driver SMS and voice messages. In a very short turnaround, she has addressed the new requirement, enabling the logistics manager to send messages directly from the application to truck drivers. Just like that, version 1.0 and 1.1 of an application are completed using the ThingWorx platform by modeling the capabilities, connecting to live truck data, creating the mashup, deploying the application, and evolving it. With the power of the ThingWorx platform, not only are today's requirements easily met, but future requirements can also be met to successfully scale and deploy your IoT strategy.
One of the things that I wanted to mention about that is, what she was able to do is she was able to extend the platform by going to our marketplace to other extensions, in this case for notification to mobile devices. That ThingWorx.marketplace, marketplace.thingworx.com site has a list of all of those. One last thing I'd like to say in my last couple of seconds here is, in addition to those, we also have pre-built capabilities on top of what she showed you. We have out-of-the-box data models for rapid provisioning. We have out-of-the-box utilities for software provisioning, for software distribution, such as firmware over the air and remote monitoring. And one last thing I'd like to show as well is what you'll see in the booth tomorrow is to give you a complete view of our 3D modeling expertise and IoT is in the top left-hand corner here. We'll have a bicycle in the lounge that in our booth that one person can drive around and bounce up and down and make the wheels go. Another person can look at it in a browser and kind of see the contextual combining of the virtual, of the digital world with the real world. Thank you.